Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best kitchen appliances is probably one of the most exciting and transformative purchases you can make for your home, breathing new life into your culinary space and making everyday tasks a joy rather than a chore. So let's dive into the world of sleek designs, innovative features, and unparalleled performance that will elevate your cooking experience to professional heights. Number 5. Fullstar Original Pro Chopper. Discover the veggie chopper that everyone is talking about. It's one of the top-rated kitchen gadgets this season, making meal prep a breeze. This large-capacity chopper dices vegetables in just 30 seconds. Save significant time compared to manual chopping and enjoy quicker meal preparation. Done prepping? Simply toss the parts on the top rack of your dishwasher for a no-scrub cleanup. It's a clever and convenient choice for busy individuals. Perfect for healthy eating on the go, this chopper features sharp, rust-resistant stainless steel blades. Its compact design fits neatly in drawers or cabinets. Built for comfort and precision, it features a soft grip handle and a non-skid base for maximum stability. The built-in catch tray keeps your counters clean. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This gadget makes meal prep fast, safe, and fun. It's a top-rated gift that helps anyone cook smarter and easier. What we like? This chopper dices in just 30 seconds, saving you significant time. It's also dishwasher safe for a no-scrub cleanup. If you have a busy schedule and want to make healthy eating easier, you should consider this. What people say. The product has a sleek and modern design that complements any kitchen decor. It features multiple cooking functions, including baking, broiling, and air frying, offering great versatility. The digital display is intuitive and easy to use, making meal preparation a breeze. Number 4. Ninja Professional Blender BL610. Experience the power of 1000 watts, designed to crush ice and break down even the toughest ingredients with ease. This appliance offers professional-grade performance for all your blending needs. With its extra-large 72-ounce pitcher, you can easily create delicious frozen drinks and creamy smoothies for the whole family. It's perfect for entertaining or making large batches. Our advanced total crushing technology features blades that pulverize ice, whole fruits, and vegetables in seconds. Achieve perfect results every time with its unbeatable power. Transform ice into snow in mere seconds, allowing you to blend your favorite ingredients into refreshing, resort-style frozen drinks. Enjoy perfectly smooth textures with every use. Get inspired with the included recipe guide, offering a variety of delicious drink and dish ideas. Explore new culinary creations with this versatile kitchen tool. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the BPA-free, dishwasher-safe pitcher. Spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your delicious creations. What we like? With 1000 watts of professional power, it crushes ice and tough ingredients in seconds. The 72-ounce pitcher is excellent for making frozen drinks for the whole family. If you're looking for a blender that can handle large batches and frozen treats with ease, this is the one for you. What people say. The product is made of high-quality materials and has a sleek, modern design that complements any kitchen decor. It features multiple cooking functions, including bake, broil, and convection, offering great versatility for various culinary needs. The intuitive digital display and easy-to-use controls make operating the appliance a breeze, even for beginners. Number 3. Zulay Kitchen Metal 2-in-1 Lemon Squeezer. Tired of wasting juice? This innovative squeezer is designed to extract every last drop from your lemons and limes with minimal effort. Even with a gentle squeeze, you'll get maximum juice. Enjoy pure, seed-free juice every time. The cleverly designed holes act as a built-in strainer, catching seeds and pulp so you don't have to. It's perfect for making refreshing drinks or adding flavor to your meals. Forget about bulky electric juicers. This manual citrus squeezer is compact and easy to store, freeing up valuable counter space. You can quickly whip up lemonade or margaritas in seconds. Crafted from sturdy aluminum with a food-grade coating, this juicer is built to last. Its ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, making it easy for anyone, even kids, to use. Cleaning up is a breeze. Simply place it in the dishwasher, top rack only, or wipe it clean with a sponge after use. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your creations. We're so confident in the quality of this juicer that we offer a lifetime guarantee. If you encounter any issues, we'll make it right. You might even want to get one for a friend. What we like. This manual juicer won't waste a single drop from your favorite fruit and has a built-in seed filter. It's easy to store and requires no power. If you like adding fresh citrus flavor to your drinks or meals without the hassle of a bulky appliance, this is a perfect choice. What people say. The product has a sleek and modern design that complements any kitchen decor. It features multiple cooking functions, including baking, broiling, and air frying, offering great versatility. The digital display is intuitive and easy to use, making meal preparation a breeze. Number 2. KitchenAid 5 Ultra Power Speed Hand Mixer, Ice Blue. Experience the best with the world's #1 mixer brand. Trust in quality and performance for all your kitchen needs. From gently folding in ingredients to whipping up light and airy meringues, it offers 5 speeds to perfectly match any recipe. The lockable swivel cord stays neatly out of your way while you mix, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Changing or removing accessories is a breeze. A simple, one-handed button press releases them quickly and easily. Achieve thorough mixing with its thoughtfully designed stainless steel turbo beater accessories. They are also conveniently dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. What we like. This hand mixer has the right speed for any task, from mixing in nuts to whipping meringues. The lockable swivel cord keeps it out of your way, and accessories are easily removed with a single button press. If you enjoy baking and need a reliable, easy-to-use mixer for everyday tasks, this is a great option. What people say. The product is easy to install and use. It has a sleek and modern design that complements any kitchen decor. The energy efficiency is impressive, saving on electricity bills. Number 1. Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender. Introducing the Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender. It offers professional-grade blending power for all your culinary needs. With 10 variable speeds, you can achieve the perfect texture for any recipe. From smooth purees to hearty soups, the control is in your hands. The pulse feature allows for layering textures, perfect for creating chunky salsas or thick vegetable soups. Get creative with your culinary creations. The 48-ounce container is perfectly sized for blending medium batches. It's ideal for preparing meals for small families. Equipped with hardened stainless steel blades, it can tackle even the toughest ingredients. You can expect consistent, high-quality results every time. Cleaning is a breeze with its self-cleaning function. Just add a drop of soap and warm water, and it cleans itself in under a minute. What we like. With 10 variable speeds and a pulse feature, you can refine every texture with culinary precision. It also cleans itself in 30 to 60 seconds with just soap and water. If you're looking for a professional-grade blender that offers versatility and effortless cleanup for a variety of recipes, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The product has a sleek and modern design that complements any kitchen decor. It features multiple cooking functions, including baking, broiling, and air frying, offering great versatility. The digital display is intuitive and easy to use, making meal preparation a breeze. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.